What's the point of being the chef if there isn't any chef's perks? Pork, sugar, and a big mouthful. Oh my goodness. People don't want to learn to cook Chinese food. They want to learn to cook Chinese takeaway food, the food that they grew up eating back in the 70s, 80s and 90s. This is where I come in. We've taken 24 of your favourite dishes, a handful of ingredients, prepped, then cooked, and with the right seasoning, you can create authentic Chinese takeaway food at home. Chopping, stir frying, deep frying, but the clanging of the pans and the hustle and bustle, and this just screams nostalgia in a bowl. We've got to give it a little bit of love and attention and care. So a little splash. I do like soy sauce. Now there's nothing more satisfying than a hot banana smothered in golden yumminess. What more do you want? Saturday night, take me home. 8 episodes, 24 amazing dishes. I'm Kwoklyn. Welcome to my Chinese takeaway kitchen. You know what? This is ridiculous. Let's crack on.